The biggest problem that we face with the customers is that once you create automation, you're stuck with maintenance. It's all those flaky failures that really drives you crazy, and with testRigor there is no such problem because we do not rely on implementation details.
It helps our customers to be able to quickly and efficiently to get to 90+ test automation and test coverage, often within under a year. And the problem we're solving is test maintenance. What we see is a lot of customers before we used to use testRigor would be stuck at lower percentages of test automation because all their resources are tied up into test maintenance. This is a problem we solve for our customers. They will be able to linearly continue building tests using their same resources.